welcome to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michy, and in this video I'm just going to show you guys how I get my hair into this bun. The goal was to do a messy bun, but I guess the messiness is behind. But if you're interested to watch how I just do my hair, go ahead. I have some white residue from the got to be glue, but I'm just going to wipe it up with water a little bit and everything should be okay. So stay tuned and catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's free. Join the gang. Join the Why does it look like it's more on this side, right? I'm going to use the camera as my mirror because it's like it's not where I want it to be. Yep. I'm so sorry guys, I was I was using the camera as my mirror because I have my mirror down here, but then as you saw earlier, the ponytail wasn't staying in the middle. I'm going to try and scrap off what is left here. I went to my local beauty store and there was no gel. They didn't have this anymore. They have another one which I got. I'm gonna try it out, but first I wanted to finish what I have here. The goal is to make a messy bun using Ultra Expression braiding hair. I don't know if it will work or not, but we can try. The only thing we can do is try. To be more precise, I'm going to be using this small brush. Just to make sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. Then I'm going to use this got to be gel to set everything in position. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So this is the complete look.